Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the second page of the test review packet. So, the first question here says, using the following diagrams, find the distance and midpoint between the given points. These two formulas will be given to you, so you just have to apply them. So, for this first example, your point is negative 2, 4. That's your x1, y1. And then for my second point, that's your x2, y2. Okay? I can go ahead and say my midpoint. I'm using this formula first. It's x1 plus x2, so negative 2 plus 3 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2, which is 4 plus negative 2 divided by 2. If I clean that up a little bit, I get 1 over 2. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. 4 plus negative 2 is 2 over 2, which I can reduce them down to give me 1/2, comma, 1. So my midpoint is a fraction in a regular number. Now, as far as distance goes, bless you. I can then put in here, right, x2 minus x1. So you're looking at positive 3 minus negative 2 squared plus my y sub 2 is negative 2 minus my y sub 1 is 4. Okay, minus and negative becomes positive. Negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. If I square both of them, I get 25 plus 36, which gives me 61, square root of 61. Now, if you guys would like, you can take a calculator out, and I can type in square root 61, 7.81. Okay? So both of them will work. Now, just to show you guys over here again real quick, same type of problem, x1, y1, x2, y2. If you're wondering, it doesn't matter which one you make which, as long as you're consistent, you're fine. So my midpoint, I add the x's together. I add my y's together. Okay. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2 over 2. 1 plus 3, okay, gives me 4 over 2, which reduces to 1, comma 2. Pick my midpoint. Distance, square root, x2 minus x1. So we're looking at 4 minus negative 2 squared plus 3 minus 1 squared. That's 6 squared plus 2 squared. 36 plus 4, which is square root of 40. Square root of 40, just to show you guys, boom, boom, 6.32. Okay, we're all set. Either one answer will be fine. You're obviously not going to do two of these on the test. You just have to know how to do one of each, like one midpoint, one distance. All right? Just give you two examples so you have extra practice. All right, number 10 and 11. You're going to get one of these. All right? The measure of an angle is 10 degrees more than 3 times the measure of its complement. Find the measure of two angles. All right, let's read this piece by piece. The measure of an angle, x, is equals 10 degrees more. That's plus 10. 3 times the measure of its complement. 3 times its complement is its angle that adds up to 90. So I put 90 minus x. Okay? That's for complement, 90 degrees. If I distribute the 3 in, 270 minus 3x plus 10, I can add 3x over. 4x equals 270 plus 10 is 280. Divide by 4, x equals 70. Now it asks you for two angles. So one of them is 70 degrees. Its complement is 90 minus 70, which is 20 degrees. Boom. Okay? Please note the big difference from here to here. This is the thing that you need to know for your test. Supplement is not 90, but 180. So let's go through this one. The measure of an angle, x, is equals 15 degrees less, that's minus 15, 4 times the measure of its supplement. So if complement was 90 minus x, supplement is 180 minus x. Okay? Now for this, x equals 720 minus 4x minus 15. Okay. I can go ahead and add 4x over. 5x equals 720 minus 15 is 705. Okay. And from there, I can divide by 5. 705 divided by 5 is 141. So my first angle is 141 degrees. The supplement is going to be 180 minus 141, or 39 degrees. Okay, cool. On the back. Alright, drawing a few pictures. Again, your artistic ability will never be graded. Sketch and label all parts of each figure. 3 lines that intersect at 2 different points. Now, there are 3 scenarios here. The first is 3 lines that don't intersect at all. That would be 3 parallel lines. The second one is 3 lines that intersect at 1 point. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. There's actually 2 more examples. This next one is 2 different points, 2 parallel lines, and they cut through right there and there. This is the one you want for this one, right? And the last one is if I have 3 lines that intersect at 3 points, I can go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just giving you a heads up that you might see one of those examples. Okay. 3 non-collinear points in the plane. What does the word non-collinear mean? It means points not in the same line. So here's my plane. I'll call it plane A. I'll call it point B. I'll call it point C. I'll call it point D. Those 3 points are not on the same line. 2 rays that intersect at their initial point. Starting, going. Starting, going. This is known as my initial point. Okay. I'll call this ray AB and ray AC. And you're all set. Alright, last and final one. Find the measure of each angle given the following, and the measure of angle ABC is 148. They're telling you the big angle is 148. So I can add these 2 small things together. And make them equal to 148. Okay. Distribute the 4 across. 2x plus 8 plus 4x minus 4 equals 148. Combine like terms. Subtract 4. Divide by 6. X equals 24. This is known as the angle addition postulate. Okay. And what you can do with that is plug this back in. 2 times 24 plus 8. 48 plus 8 is 56 degrees. And then over here I can do 4 times 24 minus 1. 4 times 23. 92 degrees. Okay. That's a 9. Oof. It's a bad 9. Alright. Keep up the good work. We're all counting, or good luck. We're all counting on you. Everybody say hi to my 5th period class. All right, guys. Say hi. See if I can get everybody. Everybody over here. Oh, I need to slow down. Can I see everybody?
Hey, go back to me.
Go back to you. Who am I going back to?
Us.
Jackpot. All right. Hey, guys. Cool. Good luck.